Good morning, grade 5. How are you? I miss you all. Today's lesson is equivalent fractions. Today, inshallah, we will learn how to write equivalent fractions. Firstly, what is the meaning of the equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same amount or values. For example, half, 2/4, 4/8, all of them are equivalent fractions. This shape represents a half, and this represents 2/4, and this represents 4/8. Half, and this 2/4, and this 4/8, all of them are equal, all of them represent the same part. Now, how we can find the equivalent fractions of a given one? For example, find an equivalent fraction for 3/4. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, by any number you choose, but they must multiply by the same number. For example, multiply by 2. 3 multiply 2 equals 6, and 4 multiply 2 equals 8. Another example, 4/6. Also, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, or if you can use the division. Divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. For example, if you multiply by 10, the result will be 40/60, and if you divide by 2, the result will be 2/3. Another example, find an equivalent fraction for 3/7. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Here I multiplied by 5. 3 multiply 5 equals 15, and 7 multiply 5 equals 35. Now, how we can find the missing number to make the two fractions are equivalent? For example, 3/5, and the denominator here is 20. In these two fractions, the denominator is multiplied by 4 to get 20. For that also, we multiply the numerator by 4. The result will be 12. For that, 3/5 equals 12/20. 4/5, and the numerator here is 80. In the numerator, 4 multiplied by 20 equals 80. For that also, we multiply the denominator 5 by 20. The result will be 100. For that, 4/5 is equivalent to 80/100. Another example, 3/9, and the denominator here is 27. 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. For that, we multiply also the numerator by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. The two fractions 3/9 equals the another fraction 9/27. Another example, 2/4, and the numerator here is 12. 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. We multiply also the denominator 4 by 6. The result will be 24. For that, 2/4 equals 12/24. Also, we can use division if the number decreases. For example, 24/30, and here the numerator is 4. 24 divided by 6 give you 4. For that also we divide by 30 by 6. The result will be 5. Then 24 over 30 is equivalent to 4 over 5. Another example, 35 and 7. 35 divided by 5 give you 7. Also we divide 15 by 5, the result will be 3. Then 15 over 35 is equivalent to 3 over 7. 21 over 49, and the numerator here is 3. 21 divided by 7 give you 3, and also for that we divide 49 by 7, the result will be 7. Now 21 over 49 is equivalent to 3 over